Okay. I'll share my screen. Before that, quickly, Atish, you are also ABAP already working ABAP, or you know ABAP already, right?
Yeah, right.
So you are working already, or maybe you know already ABAP. Okay.
Yeah.
J Kumar, also you might be working ABAP already.
Yes, Mahesh. I'm an ABAP
Okay,
consultant.
good, good. Ramnath,
Oh, yes, I'm working in ABAP.
okay, okay. Shashi, I know. Anyway, Shashi, you got get going to get into the this rap, right? Maybe in the coming days, right?
Yes.
Okay, 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 fine. Then maybe some of you might be knowing also serious view as well, huh? Or you are new to serious views. Okay, let me show quickly the course contents, huh? So assume that people don't know serious views, so we have included this CDS concept. So as first 5 hours the CDS to be able to explain to you all, and then you go on with the hands-on. We'll give the hands-on as well in the class. Okay, just go through it quickly. So anything that you want to ask, you can ask here. So these are all basic CDS views that you need for the RAP point of view, programming model point of view. So and one important point is, so we should go to through the CDS entities only, not the CDS old concept of the SQL based CDS views. So all this RAP built works on only the CDS entities. Any questions about these CDS topics? What we have mentioned here? Hello.
For me, everything is fine.
CDS. Hello, Venkat. Hi.
Hi, Mahesh. Sorry,
Hi. Hi. Okay.
stuck in the another activity and yeah.
Venkat, I just started. Okay.
Yeah,
So
that's okay. Yeah, that's why I'm waiting.
So I just explaining the course contents. I started recording also. Venkat, recording is going on.
Yeah, that's okay.
So as also we discussed, Venkat, so I explained to them, okay, these are the CDS views concepts. So assuming that participants will not be knowing any CDS views. Okay, so we have added all these concepts of the CDS view that is required to, that is part of this course that we will be going to cover.
Then that case, we need to cover the basics of all CDS views.
From the right from the beginning of the CDS base CDS views will cover. Venkat.
Okay, got it.
And this BTP account and all also is after the CDS views we complete, then we can go through this one. No? Right, Venkat? This BTP account setup.
Yeah, wrap activities after that only.
Okay. And basically that this complete works on the VDM concept, virtual data model concepts. We'll go through it. Complete all these things are hands-on only. So we'll go through all these topics through the hands-on only. Any questions here? just check, go through this one. Maybe you come across already the RAP programming. I mean, the contents or the concepts point of the basic things you might be knowing. So these are the things we have planned.
So I have a query. In the RAP, the BTPs, it's required setting up an account because I'm just new to the RAP. That's why I'm asking.
Venkat?
Yeah, no, not required.
Not required, right?
They are not required.
No, earlier also we have done through directly in S4HANA Eclipse backend S4HANA system.
Yeah, only Eclipse based we will do it. And
Mm.
if any BTP level, if it is required, we will do the BTP level. Mostly we do in Eclipse. 1 minute, Mahesh.
Okay.
Mahesh.
Oh, yes, Venkat.
Actually, there is urgent issue is there, and there is a meeting. I need to join there. And can you continue this one?
Yes.
And if you want, already I shown you earlier, right? Maybe you can show that example. Okay. So, guys, I got some unexpected meeting with business. I should join. So, okay, there is some issue in the system. So, I need to be there. And Mahesh will explain on that one. Okay. I'm getting the calls. Okay. So, okay, Mahesh, I'm
Good,
leaving.
Venkat.
Okay.
Okay, good. We'll catch up later. Yeah. Hello. Okay. So any other questions here? Any questions here? So I don't know whether you are knowing what is the exact purpose of the RAP. Do you understand what the exact use of RAP? What is the before the RAP? What is the programming model? So this is the RAP. RAP is ABAP programming model, latest ABAP programming model. Model used for building all SAP applications based on the CDS views, basically. So the flow is like this. So you have the CDS views here. So this is a RAP programming model. So you bring the data to the RAP programming model. Then you build through the pure apps, pure applications. So the backend code for the Fiori apps is the wrap. One concept is wrap. Other one is UI5. UI5. So basically, what with the wrap you are doing is you are simplifying the process of the data display in the apps. So where you can display the data and you can also update the data into the database tables. This is the database tables. Right? This is SAP database tables. Okay. So you can update the data as well through the wrap concept into the SAP database tables. This is the basic simple flow. Okay. Then it comes to the rise up point of view. Okay. It will be used for the reports. Reports you can build on the wrap. Okay. And you can build interfaces, both inbound and outbound. We can build based on the wrap programming model. So how this inbound outbound works is based on the service we get from the CDS view. So you can consume that in the external system as the interfaces. Okay. So this is the basic flow of the wrap program. Any questions here?
No, Mahesh.
Okay. So what I understood also, what the concept point earlier sessions, what we have done also is this front end, right? This is app, Fiori app, Fiori app. You are going to build through either uh, UI5, UI5 concept. You can build, or you can build through your RAP programming model. So UI5 also one programming language, user interface programming language, SAP is user interface programming language. So through RAP also you can build the Fiori app. So basically it is good for us. So we don't need to learn this UI5, JavaScript or Node.js and all. So using the RAP concept. But which concept we go for in the real-time projects, it depends on the business scenarios. That's what I come to know. Whether you go for RAP or you go for the traditional, the concept of UI5 and Fiori front-end design. So this what exactly this one is front-end design only. What exactly we are doing here? This app, basically the UI application, user interface. User interface. So instead of earlier model is we were using the model pool programming concept. So model pool programming concept. So we'll create a application and we create a transaction code, and transaction code will be accessed by the users. Similar case here, the Fiori application is going to be used by the user here. So data flow is same only, but the model is not PBO, PA event and screens and all. We don't design here. It's a browser-based applications. Few apps you might be knowing, all of you, whoever is there in the call. What is the advantage of Fiori apps? What is the advantage of Fiori apps? Why not GUI? What is the purpose of this one? Fiori apps. Why not GUI, UI, GUI, UI?
It's the user experience.
Basically, Fiori application advantage is compatible for all, compatible for desktop applications, desktop users, or tab, or mobile. For all these people, right? You can create a materials or you can create a sales order using this Fiori app without connecting to the desktop. You can get through the tab. or you can connect to the mobile. This is the main advantage of this Fiori apps. Fiori apps. And now you might be knowing S4 HANA, right? S4 HANA on premises and cloud. Right? Okay. So this RAP programming model is applicable for both RAP. Once you use the RAP programming model, so those applications can run either S4 HANA on premises or on cloud. That is the main advantage of this RAP programming model. Okay. So do you remember the additional, earlier model of programming is, so earlier it was through the GUI based model pool programming model pool programming. Okay. After this one, what is the programming model it came? Anyone knows? What the next programming model has come? A back programming model for Fiori. This is the model it has come later, where you create a CDS visual and then CDS visual you consume in the front end. Okay, by using this EUI concept, so they used to consume now. Now the latest programming model is a back programming model for Fiori. Sorry, a web programming model for RAP. Okay. So what I understood, basic prerequisite for this one is to be expertise in this RAP programming model. What we need is we need concepts of CDS views, of course. CDS views concept. Next, SAP ABAP objects. What is the meaning of ABAP objects? Anyone? What is ABAP objects? Nothing but groups concept, where classes and methods. So in this, you are going to write your code to pass the data to SAP system, to database. All transaction concepts will build on this one only. ABAP objects, oops, this is important, require this concept. And new ABAP syntax. These three is very important to know, to be expertise in the RAP. So these three areas, if you are expert, then RAP will be easy to learn. Any questions here? Let me try to show you system. Let me try. So some new terminology will come here. Service definition now, service behavior definition now. So these things, once you are familiar, you can build this one, not a big thing. Adding the existing package. So this is all what you see is built based on for the RAP programming model only. This one here. So we'll see all this very detailed. What is the behavior definition of the CDS views for the RAP programming model? This is the behavior that we have defined. We'll see all this. This is the base CDS views we have created for this application. No? So this is service URL. I don't know, maybe some connection issue. Let me try it. So you can see the output of the application. It's nothing but just browser based output only. Something settings problem. Okay. So your webs your same login no? And password. This is your output. This is your data. This is what your output of wrap application. And this application no, so will be used inside the as a Fury app they register. And this is the output the user will be able to see. The backend code has been written through the wrap programming module only. We'll see all this as part in the class. Just to make you feel of how it looks. So this is the output of the wrap. So we can like is a report only. Report only. You can all this information comes through the CDS annotations only. Source for all these things is this code only here. What we have written here. Here the code we have written here. This is a code. This is a source for that output. So we'll explain about all what is service definition, service behavior, before the CDS entity. This is where we have written on that course source data. Any questions here? Hello? Any questions? So otherwise, okay, as I said already, because RAP programming model is very important for both on-premises so SAP S/4HANA and on-cloud S/4HANA. So the expectations in the industry is to be expertise in the RAP programming model. Okay, what I know, what the understood is, it's not a great thing. I mean, great science, rocket science. Once we are familiarized with this data flow, what we should write, where we should write, and the core you are writing the serious piece only, then you can build it. Not a big challenge. You can see this output as well. Go to here, choose the columns. I think same thing what we have done just now. This is what earlier we have built this application. So this create, delete, all these concepts built through the CRUD operations in the RAP programming model. So anyone knows, anyone doubt about the CRUD operations? What the CRUD? Hmm? So anything in SAP, right? CRUD operations. What the CRUD? Right? Or U D, right? What did C? Create the data. Okay, create the data into the SAP database tables. Or read operations, all select queries, open SQL database queries. U for update of the database. D for delete. So any SAP, right? Any SAP applications, whatever we work, falls under this category. Okay, other than the enhancements, right? So your reports will fall under the read option, right? Interfaces will fall under the read if it is outbound. If it is inbound, it falls under the create of the data as well. Okay. And if you take the conversions, nothing but as a database update, it falls under this only, the create or update or delete. And enhancements anyway not part of this one. So enhancements is like where you want to any application, the existing application, you want to modify, not modify, additional functionality like how we do the baddies and all. Similar functionality is available in the RAP. So we will be covering that topic as well to enhance the existing RAP application. Okay, I'll stop my screen here. Any questions? Shashi
No, sir.
or anyone?
Oh, nothing from my side.
Okay, so he will take as okay. I will be there as a backup. Okay, he will be. He is more expert in this. Venkat will take class. As as it is already, so it is all to up to us. How do we make it more interactive the class and how do we get more support? So I explained about the course contents I shared already. I will share if you want. You can ping me my number. So I will share the contents to you. Okay. So we are ready to start. Mostly we'll start maybe Monday one class, maybe Monday only one class evening, and then next class we'll plan on Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Once you confirm, I'll confirm. Monday we'll start with the CDS fees. 25 hours total training. So 2 months I'll give server access. 2023 S4 HANA. So you are there in my group, right? All of you, SAP group,
Yes, Mahesh. Yeah.
all of you, right? So you are there.
Uh,
Now I,
Makesh,
yeah,
what
right?
about the course fee? Anything is there?
Oh yeah, yeah. I'll stop recording and tell you.
Okay.
Let me stop recording.